There's news just coming in that a Kolkata port official has written a letter to the Prime Minister saying that the port was under threat and cited instances where there have been reports of gunshots exchanged between port handlers, and the authorities still remain silent on it. Shambit now joins us for more. Shambit, what more details do you have about this letter that has been written by a port official, and what are the gunshots that he's talking about?
This port official is heading the union there in the Haldia port, in Haldia Dock, in fact, and he has already written to the PMO talking about raising concern about the security of Kolkata and Haldia port, because what he has written in that particular letter, that there were some problem in that area, but that was not properly attended by the port authority and other agencies. But there are certain islands that the cargoes need to cross when they come from the sea to Kolkata port or Haldia port. These islands are not safe. These are not properly, sanitized in a sense, because the coastal police they do not take much care of these areas, which are very unsafe. And he's also raising concern about the handlers of these cargoes or barges, which actually come from Sandhedge to these ports, because what we have learned that these are not direct employees of Kolkata Haldia port. They are operated by private agencies, and there is no record of these employees of these handlers. So
all right,
these are the areas which need to be taken care of. That is what the port official has written to the Prime Minister's office.